Unique facts about tomcat or Charlie ant. Tomcat are small insects that have a body shape like a long black ant, and tomcat do not bite or sting. Because it is small, humans will casually smack it if it lands on their body. But unfortunately, this smacking is the wrong action, because their hemolymph or blood, which contains pattern, will seep into the skin if it is not cleaned immediately. The skin disorder pattern, dermatitis, and irritation symptoms will appear, such as redness, until spots appear for 24 to 36 hours after exposure. However, even though they do not come into direct contact with tomcat, they can also leave their poison on objects in the house, such as towels or various furniture, making it possible for their skin to be contaminated with their poison.